I've based the concept around healthier living in order to improve social housing and create a more motivating experience for the occupant. The precedent for my design is the Bosco Verticale Tower in Milan. The vertical forest helps to build a microclimate and to filter fine particles contained in the urban environment. The diversity of plants helps to develop the microclimate, which produces humidity, absorbs CO2 and particles, produces oxygen, and protects against radiation and noise pollution. The Bosco Verticale Tower is a high-rise block. The smaller of the two blocks is 76 metres high, and after carrying out various site analysis and looking at the scale of the site in Gloucester, it is evident that a building of this scale would dominate the surrounding buildings individually. However, the blocks are dense and need to be pulled apart in order to fit the site better. The next step in my design involved pulling apart the Bosco Verticale Tower to create something more sympathetic to the site. I sliced the smaller block of the Bosco Verticale into 3 sections and decided that one of these blocks would be sufficient for the 12 dwellings. I then split this new smaller block into thirds and pulled one of the thirds away to create 2 new blocks. The smaller of the blocks was then sliced vertically, making it thinner so that the transition from the larger block to the ground appeared smoother. The 2 blocks would sit side by side on the site and would be linked together by a ground floor that would hold the communal areas for all the apartments, a cafe and a shop. The larger of the 2 blocks will hold 4 apartments on each floor and 2 different types of apartment. Apartment 1 being a 3-bed and apartment 2 being a 2-bed. Both apartment types have a large kitchen and living space and have access to a balcony. There is also a communal garden on the first floor for all residents. All flats are accessed from the central core, which holds the main access lift and a fire escape staircase. This space will be the main circulation space of the building, and all of the apartments are entered off of this.